Hello everyone, my name is Janet Schalk. I'm one of your librarians here at the Porter campus. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about how to find good reference sources for APA and MLA style. These are both rule sets for how to properly present your research sources, and they can be very, very detailed and complex, and nobody expects you to memorize all that, but you're going to need to find a few good reference points so you know how to do it properly. So let me show you a little bit about how to do that. First of all, we can find some resources by going straight to PHSC's own website. So here what we have is the student portal. Once you log in, you'll have your familiar landing page. But if you scroll down, you'll see the Writing Center. And this is going to be a great resource for all of your research paper needs. It's going to give you advice about grammar and how to use sources. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Research tab. And off to the left, you'll see the MLA and APA documentation subpages. These are going to give you most of the information that you need to properly cite your source. It's going to tell you a little bit about what each style is. And then off to the right, you'll see a handout. This is one of the most valuable resources that you can use because it's going to tell you exactly what should be contained in each citation and give you lots of examples. So for example, you're going to need most likely to use an article from an online journal that you find in a database. So if you click right down here to internet sources, this is going to give you lots of specific examples and tell you what each element in the citation is. And APA has a similar thing. So if we look back at the Writing Center page, we click on APA documentation, we have a similar handout here as well. And these are going to be your kind of go-to shops for citation information. But if you need some extra info, another good place to check out is the organizations themselves. So the MLA has a style blog, the MLA Style Center. You can find it just by Googling it. And from here, what you can do is you can browse their website or search, and you can find information from the experts themselves. APA kind of has a similar thing. It's called the APA Style Blog. This is a resource I use all the time, especially if you're trying to cite something obscure. I guarantee you someone else has had the same question, and going right to the experts themselves is a really, really smart move because there's a lot of old information available on the internet. If you just Google, how do I cite X, you're going to find lots of stuff that's not going to be useful. Another really good source is Purdue University's online writing lab. This is something that we've used a lot over the years. And you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see lots of sources for just general writing advice, but specifically MLA and APA style guides. And they're going to have a lot of those same examples with instructions of what's in each example and to really help you guide. And then finally, if you get stuck, always talk to your librarians. We're here to help you. That's what we get, that's what we're here for. Your Academic Success Center is a really great resource as well. You have a lot of partners here on campus that can help you along the way. All right, well, hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Good luck on your research.